Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are going to explore the meaning of beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Hadi. Allah is the one who creates guidance, leading His servants to good, benefit and the satisfaction of their needs. His highest guidance is that which leads His best servants to knowledge of His essence. He guides His other good servants to see His attributes manifest in His creation. He guides every creature to that which is needed for its existence. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Taha, Ayat 50, Our Lord is He who gives to each thing its nature, then guides it to knowledge to satisfy its needs. The result of this guidance is faith. The opposite of guidance is to be led astray, the result of which is infidelity. Human beings are made like a pair of scales. We have the potential to incline one way or the other. Therefore, for us to turn either to the side of faith or to the side of infidelity, there must be some weight placed on one side of the scale or the other. Allah is the only one who creates guidance and misguidance. He is the creator of the causes of faith, which delights the heart, and faithlessness, which delights the ego. He guides whomever He wishes and leads astray whomever He wishes. Whomever Allah has guided well, none can lead astray. Whomever Allah has misguided, none can lead to the straight path. But Allah does not forcibly and without reason lead His servant astray. He leads people astray only when we misuse our will and turn our potential towards infidelity. Yet in human beings, faith is essential, fundamental. Faithlessness is non-essential and accidental. Faith is intrinsic to human beings. Allah gathered the souls prior to creation in the realm of the spirits and asked, Am I not your Lord? And all answered, Indeed, you are our Lord. That is in Surah Arafat, Ayat 172. So our souls made a covenant with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before we were even born. We may not remember the promise of our souls, but that does not invalidate the pact. It is this covenant with Allah before our creation or coming to the earth that is the reason for Allah's guidance and bounty for each of us. He has granted each soul a perfect body to live in, sustenance for the maintenance of that body, a mind to perceive things that will remind it for His existence and for our covenant with Him. He has given the books, the messengers, prophets and saints and people of knowledge, all to remind us, to teach us, to confirm the covenant. All this is part of Allah's guidance as people wish it, will it, and abide with it. Allah's guidance will ever increase. The one who is well guided knows the truth, respects the truth, and accepts the truth. Such people will prefer death to the application of untruth, which is injustice and tyranny. Even if they had the interest, strength, and support to oppose the truth, they would not do it. They tell only the truth, listen to the truth, live by the truth, and die for the truth. Such are the well-guided ones. So who is Abdul Hadi? Abdul Hadi is the servant of Allah who has received the response to his prayer. Guide us on the right path. Surah Fatiha. Guide us on the right path. Surah Fatiha. He knows the secrets of the beautiful name Al-Hadi and thus becomes an instrument for human salvation. He has been charged with enforcing truth, that which Allah ordains, and that which Allah forbids. A recitation of this name 200 times each day may lead one to success. If you are not sure of your purpose, this may lead to the right choice. If one writes this name on a cup, puts rainwater in it, recites Ya Hadi 200 times upon it, and lets one's child who has difficulty in remembering things and is disobedient drink from it, it may ameliorate the condition. Thank you very much for today. Assalamu alaikum.